Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I will be doing a two-part video. So this video right here would just be the unboxing, me customizing the wig on a mannequin head, and basically just like styling the hair. That would just be the first video, this one right here, and my next video would be me installing the hair and styling it on my head, as well as my final review on this wig. So if you'd like to see everything about this hair, watch my two videos, guys. So yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have a review from Cenhiee hair. So I'm just gonna do the unboxing section for this part of the video. So this is the box that the hair came in. It's a very simple box. So I'm just gonna take out and show you guys what came in the box. So this is the hair, and that's everything that came in the box. Okay, so this is the construction of inside the wig. We get one comb at the back, two combs at the side, we get one comb at the center, an adjustable band that you could actually remove. So they have the hooks here that you could remove this band if you choose. So we have this, and then also we have adjustable straps here. This is the hairline. But as you could see, the tracks are visible and they are black, which I do not like. And this is how the center of the hairline looks. As you could see in the center, the tracks is visible. Like I said, I do not like this, but we'll see how this wig looks once it's installed. Right, so this is a texture. So for the details of this wig is a 13 by 6 by 1 T-part wig. It is 150% density, and it's in the length 20 inches. What it means by 13 by 6 by 1 is from ear to ear is 13 inches. So the parting is supposed to be 6 inches deep and 1 inch width of lace that you would get to work with. This is how much parting you're going to get. So you do get a lot of parting space. However, I really don't like that they decided to keep these tracks black. I wish they used orange thread or something so that it isn't as visible. So that is how this hairline is. Are you guys seeing this? What? I am honestly disappointed. Let me try and cut this out. And so I had to cut this thread out. So I realized the footage had stopped recording, but basically I did the same on this side with the got to be glued, and then I applied some got to be glued in this area and I laid it down with the hot comb, and that's all I did.